Hello students, today we will discuss machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a technology that makes a machine think like human beings. In other words, it is the ability of a machine to understand its environment and take decisions in order to achieve a definite goal. Artificial intelligence-enabled machines can make planning, learning, reasoning, problem-solving, knowledge representation, motion, manipulation and creativity very easy. This feature is applied to solve complex problems and automate routine work. AI is an umbrella term that includes machine learning and deep learning as its subsets. This chapter focuses mainly on machine learning. First, let me introduce you to machine learning. Machine learning enables machines to learn independently with experience. Once a machine is programmed, it can quickly learn about the other scenarios and provide a new solution. It is used to train a model and make predictions and decisions without any hardcore programming. It is used in various applications like email filtering, speech recognition, computer vision, self-driving cars, Amazon product recommendations, etc. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that imitates the way humans gain certain types of knowledge. Students, let us see need for machine learning. Let us start with an instance where a machine surpasses in a strategic game by self-learning. AlphaZero, a game-playing AI created by Google's DeepMind, has beaten the world's best chess-playing computer program. It learned how to play the game on its own in under 4 hours. Starting from random play with no domain knowledge except the game rules, it achieved a superhuman level of play in chess within 24 hours. One thing which is clear from the above instance is that a machine has the ability to mimic human brain, which was earlier beyond imagination. Many of the today's leading companies such as Facebook, Google and Uber make machine learning a central part of their operations. All of this is possible because machine learning can show customers trends, which can help enterprises to develop new and marketable products that can satisfy customers. It can automate tedious tasks and achieve corporate objectives. Now, let us see work of machine learning system. Training data is fed into a machine learning algorithm to train a model. Once the model is trained, a test data set is fed into it to check how accurately the model behaves. If the expected output is not arrived, additional training data set is fed into it until the desired output is met as per criteria. Once the model works as per the expectation, the real data is fed into it to predict the desired output. The working of machine learning is shown in the given figure. If you wish to predict the weather patterns in a particular area, you can feed the data of past weather trends and patterns to the model through the machine learning algorithm. This will be the training data set for the algorithm. After the training, the model will be able to predict the result accurately. Netflix recommends shows using machine learning algorithms. Netflix uses machine learning algorithm to predict the patterns of viewers and understands when there is an increase or decrease in the viewer's choice of viewing a certain movie or show. They use regional servers to store the data that are much closer to the viewers so that there is no delay in loading times, even in the peak time. Now let us understand machine learning algorithms. Algorithm is a sequence of steps to solve a problem. A simple algorithm for ordering food online is given below. 1. Open the app and choose the desired restaurant. 2. Select the food of your choice. 3. Pay through UPI. 4. Add address. 5. Click on the order button. Though machine learning algorithms are not so simple like the above, but they are organized as per the usage, purpose and the outcome. The types of machine learning algorithms are supervised learning, inductive learning. You must have seen babies learn to walk with the help of the elders, or students learn under the supervision of their teachers. Similarly, machine learning models also learn under the supervision of the labeled data set, which acts as an input. These training data acts as a supervisor to teach the model to predict the output. Here, the training data is monitored by the user until the prediction reaches a certain level of accuracy. For example, a supervised learning model uses health parameters to predict whether a person will have diabetes in the future or not. Working off supervised learning. In the given figure, the model is trained with the training data set. That is, pictures of apples which are labeled. After the training, the test data is given to the model. Now the model has to predict the correct image of the apple. Types of supervised learning algorithms. Regression algorithm. Regression algorithm is used when there is a relation between input variable and output variable. For example, weather forecasting, sales trend, etc. Some of the regression algorithms are linear regression, non-linear regression, polynomial regression, etc. Classification. Classification algorithms are used when the output variable has two classes like yes or no, male or female, etc. Some of the classification algorithms are random forest, decision trees, etc. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the training of the model takes place with unlabeled dataset without any supervision. The model itself finds the hidden pattern in the dataset to learn on its own. It is similar to human brain where human beings learn new things. Working off unsupervised learning. Firstly, unlabeled raw input data is fed into the machine learning model. The model interprets the hidden pattern from the input data. Then, some algorithms like decision tree or clustering are applied on the same dataset. After the algorithm is applied on the dataset, the data is grouped together based on similarities. Types of unsupervised learning algorithms. Following are the two types of unsupervised learning algorithms. Clustering. Clustering algorithm help to create the group of objects known as clusters based on similarities. The model finds a hidden pattern in the input data set. Based on the same pattern, the objects are clubbed together. The objects with differences are also grouped together separately. Association. Association algorithm is a part of unsupervised learning which is used to find the relationship between variables in a large database. It is generally used to analyze the products in the market to improve the market strategy. For example, people who buy item 1, let us say toothbrush, will also buy item 2, toothpaste. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning in which the learning model improves its strategy by the feedback it receives from the environment. In this model, there is an agent who needs to be trained to receive a reward. Let us understand this with an example. In the given figure, there are three objects, a robot, a crown, and some big stones. The goal of the robot is to get the reward. Here, the robot acts as an agent and the crown as a reward. The robot should reach the crown using various available paths, but there are some obstacles on different paths. Now the robot learns by trying all possible paths and chooses the best possible way to reach the crown with the least hurdles. The robot will receive a reward for each right step and reward will be subtracted from the total rewards for each wrong step. Finally, the total rewards will be calculated when the robot reaches the crown. Types of reinforcement learning. It solves the problems based on reward. There are two types of reinforcement learning. Positive. Positive reinforcement occurs when the agent receives positive effects on the behavior. Negative. The negative condition arises when the agent takes a wrong decision while self-learning. Students, let us learn applications of machine learning. Following are some applications of machine learning. Speech and image recognition. The automatic speech recognition model converts speech into text. Many applications convert speech into an audio file format which is then converted into a text file. For example, Alexa and Google Home are the widely used speech recognition software. The example of image recognition is facial recognition, which is installed in the mobile phones. This feature is used to unlock your phone. Traffic alert using Google Map. You use Google Map to find the fastest and the best route to reach your destination. It predicts the best route based on traffic congestion and the condition of the roads. It uses machine learning to make the prediction. It collects information from various sources, analyzes it, and makes the prediction. Chatbot. Chatbot is a software used in many industries like banking, education, finances, medical, etc. When you access the website of any company to know customized information, the chatbot helps as an online support for you. Google Translator. Suppose you are visiting a foreign land like France or Germany. You know only English. You can use Google Translator to convert foreign language into the language you know. Here, Google Translator uses machine learning algorithms. Prediction. Prediction models such as weather forecasting, sales, stock predictions, etc. uses machine learning algorithm to make predictions. Self-driving cars. The future of automobile industry is driverless cars. It uses deep learning and machine learning algorithms. Ads recommendations. You see various ads on each web page. These ads are different for different users, though they are using the same web page. These ads are based on the search history of each user, which uses the machine learning algorithm. For example, if you have searched for different brands of mobile phone on an e-commerce site, next time when you access any website, you will get ads of mobile phones on the web page you are visiting. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are quite popular these days. These are smart software used in mobile phones and laptops. They act as a personal assistant to search for any information which is asked over voice. For example, Siri, Alexa, Cortana, etc. Instead of searching for a number from the contact list, directly say, Siri, call that. This process is also based on machine learning algorithm. Email and spam filtering. When you receive a new email, it gets filtered based on its subject line and the content. After filtering, the spam emails are redirected to the spam folder and the genuine emails are transferred to the inbox. This is again possible with the help of machine learning. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Artificial intelligence is a technology that makes a machine behave like a human being. Machine learning is used to train data and make predictions and decisions without any hardcore programming. The three types of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained using labeled training data. In unsupervised learning, the training of the model takes place with unlabeled data set without any supervision. The reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning in which the training model improves its strategy by the feedback it receives from its environment. Application of machine learning are self-driving cars, speech and image recognition, chatbot, Google Map, prediction, Google Translator, ads, recommendation, email and spam filtering, virtual assistants, and so on.